Hey guys, so this week I'm going to be going over the things that I did as well as where I'm at in my current project, which is really exciting. So let's hop right into it. This week I pretty much rearranged my entire apartment to be better for virtual production and stop motion. Arena, what did we do?
We did a virtual production Unreal Engine camera, and now we can walk like we're walking in a game. And oh, it was far away.
What do you think, Ray?
Awesome.
You're fixing to act, Ray. And the end result was majestic.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping.
Pretty awesome. After that, I'm just gonna go into the real world now. I found this old light. It's pretty cool. It's LED panel, and it actually has a warm and cool function, so it really makes a nice sunset effect on the phone. I also picked up a few more props at Hobby Lobby. Looking at all this stuff, I got my green screen, the little set for puppets to walk on, my lights, and I'm looking pretty good. This is the rig that I put together out of two rigs, combined them, but it kind of falls over, so we're gonna fix that right now. Thank you, Arena, for these gloves. What I'm gonna start to do is put this epoxy putty on this base and kind of weld it to here, so that way it has a little bit more weight, and I could always screw it down to a table. So that's kind of fun. And what I've taken from this is I've taken two of these helping hand things, and I've taken one of them apart, placed it on the other one, so that way I have more wiggle room for the rig. So I'm also going to, wow, kind of windy out here, huh? I'm also going to take this little piece of square stock and put it on the end of the rig itself, so that way I could just plug it right into my puppet whenever I need it. So that's what we're going to do right now. Be sure to wear gloves when you're mixing epoxy putty, because you don't want this stuff in your fingernails.
As we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I'm trying to tell you in every way, yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow, I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe.
This is going to be really fun to animate with. The epoxy's holding up pretty well. It's just kind of still drying. And you can see right here, this is where the puppets can be snapped on to work with the rig. So all this was made for about maybe $20, just with some stuff I had lying around. So that's including the cost of these two helping hands, which is a pretty good deal. And most of the time, you're going to be spending upwards of $50 for these things. So I have a perfectly custom one that fits my needs quite well, and I'm excited to start animating with this. So I'm very happy with the whole setup in my apartment right now, and I can't wait to use it to the best of its abilities to make some stop motion animation. This is going to be a great stage. Outside is a great fabrication area, and in my bedroom is a great editing bay. So very excited, very blessed to have this opportunity and all these tools to play with. So super stoked to see what you guys will think, and very excited to show you the end result. I keep saying excited all the time because I'm super excited. So hopefully y'all are excited too. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you all very much.